If your iPhone weather app or weather widget is not showing your exact location or not updating properly, here's how to fix it. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services at the top. Make sure Location Services is turned on. If it's already enabled, scroll down and find the Weather app in the list. Tap on Weather and set location access to while using the app or widgets. This is important because it allows your iPhone to update weather based on where you are in real time. Now, make sure precise location is turned on. This helps your iPhone detect your exact location instead of just a general area. After that, go back and open the weather app or your weather widget. It should now automatically update based on your current city or area. If you travel to a different place, your iPhone will automatically detect the new location and update the weather instantly. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because weather data needs either Wi-Fi or mobile data to refresh properly. After doing these steps, your weather app and widget should now show the correct and updated location. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.